performing well under the DRIP program with a noticeable short period, I request the Central Water Commission and the World Bank to revisit the approved cost and enhanced to rupees 483 crores by way of additional allocation to Karnataka. Under this project, it is proposed to promote new technologies and improve capacities for dam safety evaluation and implementation. Trust is also to install and maintain instrumentation in new as well as existing dam structures to monitor the health as well as swift response during extreme events such as floods, earthquakes, etc. by way of emergency action plans. I am glad to learn that over 450 delegates from across the different states and the world have registered for participation, and over 90 technical papers were issued from professionals from both within the country and abroad for presentation in the conference. Many industry participants have also come forward to put up their stalls in the conference exposition. It clearly indicates the concern of dam professionals to share their experience and find solutions for the issues faced by them in dam operation, maintenance, and rehabilitation. The themes chosen for various technical sessions reflect the current needs and apprehensions of dam safety professional. I congratulate all the authors for their contributions. I am sure the technical sessions will provide a great opportunity to the delegates to interact and share their ideas and to focus on the issues and best practices to promote safety of dams. Karnataka takes pride to host this second National Dam Safety Conference, and I take pleasure to inaugurate this conference. I wish all the delegates enlightening interactions and hope that recommendations coming out of the deliberations during the conference will be useful for the decision makers, researchers, engineers, and all those interested in dam safety. I conclude my speech with best wishes for the success of this conference and a pleasant stay at Bangalore to the all delegates. And I once again wish you a very happy New Year and Makar Sankranti. Thank you, Honorable.
Well, the Honorable Minister Shri M.B. Patil has reaffirmed that Karnataka is indeed committed towards national dam safety, and at the same time, he has also congratulated for the great participation and expressed gratifying. Let's all give a round of applause for words of wisdom in the inaugural address. Thank you, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the concluding stage of the inaugural function. I would now request Shri N. Srinivas, Project Director, DRIP, and Superintending Engineer, WRDO, Bengaluru, for the concluding remarks and to propose vote of thanks. Shri Srinivas.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I have the privilege of proposing a vote of thanks at the end of this wonderful inaugural session of the second National Dam Safety Conference at Bangalore. First and foremost, I wish to convey our heartfelt thanks to Shri M.B. Patil, the Honorable Minister for Water Resources, Government of Karnataka, for inaugurating the conference and delivering the insightful inaugural address. He has highlighted the rich legacy of Karnataka in dam building under the guidance of visionary engineer of the state, Mokshagundam Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, and the state's journey thereafter to go on to build 236 large dams till date. He has covered a gamut of issues related to the dam safety and has given us ample thoughts to deliberate upon during the course of this conference. Sir, we are immensely thankful to you for your esteemed presence today, and on behalf of all the organizers, I request you to kindly accept a memento to cherish the memories of this conference. I would request our beloved Additional Chief Secretary, Shri P.B. Ramurthy, to hand over a memento to our Honorable Minister on this occasion. Next, I wish to thank Shri Ghanshyam Jha, Chairman, Central Water Commission, who as member D&R and Chairman Technical Committee mentored us to put up this conference at such a large scale to accommodate around 450 delegates in this second National Dam Safety Conference after Chennai, where we had a delegate strength of about 250 and odd. I wish to thank him on behalf of all the organizers for having graced this inaugural session and delivered the guest address, which had many thought-provoking ideas in the areas of dam safety. Sir, we are immensely thankful for your constant support, and I request you to kindly accept a memento on this occasion. I am extremely thankful to our beloved Additional Chief Secretary to Government, Water Resource Department, Shri P.V. Ramurthy, who has been constantly motivating us to raise the bar for organizing this conference since its announcement in April 2015 and for having graced this inaugural session. Sir, on behalf of all the organizers, I once again thank you and request you to kindly accept a memento on this occasion. I express my sincere gratitude to Professor Anurag Kumar, Director IASC, for having consented to co-host this conference and has provided this beautiful auditorium for the deliberations. We are thankful to him for participating in this inaugural session and delivering his guest address to this august audience. Sir, on behalf of all the organizers, I once again thank you and request you to kindly accept a memento on this occasion. I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to Shri B.G. Gurupada Swami, Secretary Water Resources Department, Government of Karnataka. As member of the advisory committee, he has been a pillar of constant support for all our efforts and has guided us in our activities leading to this conference. We are thankful to him for sharing his valuable thoughts on the dam safety aspects and particularly stressing the need to streamline the concepts of stream performance of India. And also he has very beautifully traced the dam history across the world and in India and particularly in Karnataka. On behalf of all the organizers, I thank you once again, sir, and request you to kindly accept a memento. We had the privilege to be associated with Shri A.B. Pandya, ex-chairman CWC, who conceptualized this conference during his tenure as chairman. We are thankful to you, sir, for your guidance and also for having accepted our request to deliver the keynote address in this inaugural session. On behalf of all the organizers, I thank you for your gracious presence and your thoughtful keynote address. May I request you to please accept a memento on this occasion, sir. I would be failing in my duty if I don't acknowledge the contribution after Dr. B.R.K. Pillai, our project director, CPMU and CWC Dam Directorate Rehabilitate, who has been the guiding force behind this conference. He has been constantly attending all the meetings of the organizing committee and technical committee and has guided us to put up this conference in such a big manner in this Bangalore. So I would thank on behalf of all the organizers, Dr. B.R.K. Pillai, and I would request him to please accept a memento on this occasion. I would like to thank my chief engineer and the nodal officer DRIP for Karnataka State for having efficiently guided us towards the culmination of this conference preparation as the organizing committee chairman. I would request our SC Sri Shankarappa to hand over a memento to Sri Mahesh M. Hiremet. May I request you to accept a memento, sir. Yeah, this is our duty, sir. I, on behalf of the organizers, wish to thank all the delegates from across the continents, states comprising of policy makers, administrators, engineers, academicians, researchers, and industry representatives for being a part of this conference and also attending this inaugural session. On behalf of all the organizers, I extend my sincere gratitude to the electronic and print media for having accepted our invitation and are present here today for this inaugural session. Last but not the least, I am thankful to all the sponsors, the chairman and members of the various committees, subcommittees, and the support staff from CWC, the Indian Institute of Science, and the State Water Resource Department for their untiring efforts to organize this inaugural session. Thank you very much. I would request the representatives of the print and electronic media to kindly accompany our Honorable Minister who will be inaugurating the exposition. I would request the delegates to also join us during this inauguration, which will be followed by a high tea and followed by the first technical session at 11:30. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for a highly cordial vote of thanks. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please note that the conference deliberations will restart at 11:30, but in the meantime, kindly move over to the exhibition area where the Honorable Minister for Water Resources, Shri M.B. Patil, will inaugurate the exposition.